I'm watching this halfback area. You can see we almost got to it, but I'd really like it to come down in here somewhere, like 601. There's one we're in. See if we can get down here a little closer. I'll put one in there. I want my stop to be under this node here, so I like that. Now we're looking for this to spring out of here, just kind of like it's doing right now. Get our references in. You want to keep a close eye on this. Make sure you're making progress. You come up, hit this POC, and it starts to fall off. You might want to consider getting out of the trade. Here's your first target that you would take, maybe consider taking one. And your 40 ticks is going to be there. So now we're at that POC. Looks like it's getting through that. So like I said, you'd want to watch this A level. Going to coincide with this volume area here, or this volume profile. You can see how this is sticking out and it starts to drop off. So it's moving pretty good. You can move your stops up now. You get up into this area, I would move one of your stops up just to lock in this first target. These aren't hard targets, obviously. You know, you can take one now if you want. You just want to make sure you keep up your your win rate. But you really go by structure, you know, not going by a specific number of ticks. Or I use these as references so that I know where I'm at. If it hasn't got to this level yet, I know I'm under 27 ticks. If it's over this level, I know I don't want to give back 27 ticks. And if it's over the 40, same thing. See how it's responding to this A level here. If we can get over this, we'll go right to our target. Take that first one. 19. You see how this is struggling here. If the market wasn't so strong, I would probably take one right here. I feel like there's a good chance of us getting to our first target at least. Here's another look at that delta chart. You can see how there's some buying here, some pretty decent volume. But it is having a hard time getting through there. What I don't want to do is get into a rotating thing. You know, if I plan for that, that's one thing. This is having a pretty hard time getting through. We get even close, I'll take this. Take that first one. Now I'm fine with the little rotation back into this area now that we've taken that first one. I was just having too hard of a time getting through here. And as you can see, this is pulling back a little bit. But I'm not going to fight over a couple ticks. Now you can decide, you know, if you don't want to do some type of rotation. You obviously got to take them both if you weren't comfortable with a little bit of a rotation, but you know, maybe move your stop up to here in the second one or leave it at break even. We only have 12 minutes left. If we can get the D period, D might come down in here. This doesn't take us out first. Really want to try and hold this so we can get a little more out of it, at least to the 610. I would put the target somewhere in 950. This doesn't seem like there's a lot of interest right now in taking it any higher. This is exactly why I went ahead and took that first one so I didn't have to ride this rotation. And right there, we got flushed out. Good trade.